Hi, this is Tom from Restoration One, and we handle emergency water and fire damage restoration as well as mold remediation in the Southern Connecticut market. So, what originally led me to Restoration Marketing Group was I decided that I needed to diversify my revenue stream. Most of my work and leads were coming from word of mouth and referral partners, which is great. But I wasn't getting really anything from the internet, especially not organically. So I liked what they had to say, and that's what first got me involved with them. So what I enjoyed is they really seem to take a stake in my business as well, and it really feels like a team. Where when we have monthly meetings, and I get to input, kind of how I feel we can be improving, or what's different in my market. And there's just conversations had, throughout our entire relationship to kind of help improve. So it's just nice to kind of feel a give and take relationship with a marketing company. Yeah, the results and the impact Restoration Marketing Group has had on my business has been amazing, and it seems just to be kind of increasing every month. The more time I work with Lisa every single week and month on the rankings. I mean, I'm 1, 2, and 3 on almost every keyword that we want to go after, and kind of being in the emergency-based business. The biggest challenge is going the ebbs and flows of the industry, and what they've been able to do for me is kind of flatten out that curve and create more leads consistently throughout the weeks. And then all of a sudden, when a storm comes in, being in the Northeast, for example, we actually got the tail end of Hurricane Ida a few months ago, and I mean, I can't tell you, the phone wouldn't stop ringing for weeks. And then when I had time to sit back and track all my leads generated organically and from Restoration Marketing Group, it was close to $200,000 in about 3 weeks. So I can't say enough about how they've impacted my business. We've gotten another van, more crew members, and just to have that extra consistent flow just from internet has been a huge success for my business. Yeah, like I've mentioned before, I mean, the impact of what they've done for my business. I've been able to buy another van, add another crew. It's in this day and age, it's tough to even find crew members to work, but I could probably use a couple more. Just by having the extra, lead stream that they've generated for me, and it's something where I'm not relying on them. I have other forms of leads, but to have that in my back pocket and just give me some consistency through the internet and all the SEO that they've done for me has been a huge step in my business. Yeah, sign up immediately. Do it as soon as you can. These guys know what they're doing. The results always don't happen overnight, but you got to stick with them. Work with them, and they'll get you to where you want to be for sure. The only regret I really have with Restoration Marketing Group is that I didn't start with them when I started my business. I was with someone else for a couple of years, and the results weren't there. So ever since I started with them, I'm as happy as I could be, and I would definitely sign up for them.